Hello and welcome to This is Africa Outdoors. In this episode we're at this beautiful location behind me and we're going to be doing a bream fishing competition, 1vs1vs1, and it's going to be a 1 hour challenge. Whoever can catch the most bream in 1 hour is the winner. The time right now is 10 past 10 and the challenge will end at 10 past 11. Let's get to the fishing. These guys are already casted in. Let me get into.
1.5 kg.
I think my biggest bream here is maybe 1 kg, but even that is pushing it.
Oh, David's getting back. Yes.
Oh no, man! David's the first fish with fish number 1.
Well, not the first fish of the competition.
First fish of the competition.
And it's in breeding. It's more popular than that.
So David's on the board with fish number 1 of the competition. Little Mozambique tilapia. It's very fat. Beautiful fish. Let's get a release.
That's one for David. Hey Josh, what's this?
Come on. We can't let David win. I'm not letting David win. No. David has a fish, another one.
Another? Oh no.
No.
Josh, we need a float. Oh, I think I'm getting it. Is it? Oh.
Damn it. No, David can't get it.
Come on. Biggest fish yet.
Is that a good size?
Yeah.
Okay, so that one we'll keep. We also need to keep some for Makai.
Yeah.
But we have to catch it proper. We have to win. Well, I have to win. I don't care about you. My reputation is on the line here.
It's already on.
But David, no, David's good at competition.
Your reputation's on the line, but the fish isn't.
Any fish will do. Damn it. No.
It's gonna come off because I didn't strike off. Oh, it's a rumba snake.
No, it's not. Damn, I'm still on 0 and these.
Yes! I'm on the board.
Nice little bream. Very nice.
Finally got it. As long as David doesn't win, I'm happy. Why do you guys so win? Because you always win. No, I don't. You do. Win. Yesterday.
You actually always win.
Yesterday I only caught one.
The 9 was bigger.
Well, okay, not yesterday. Yesterday is a bad example. Other days.
Oh, no. Damn. Oh, no, man. Yeah. Damn, David has 3. How are we gonna beat him? I'm on 0. I caught 1 earlier, and that's it.
That one was total luck.
Time is 10:34. Still more than half an hour left, and I'm still on 0. Did you have a bite? Come on, I need to catch a fish.
Josh, you can't not even catch one in the competition.
I know. Should we extend the time a little bit?
Yes.
To what? 11:30.
You guys are cheat.
Today I have some bad luck. I'm not even getting any bites. Literally none. Zilch. What number is that?
2. Well, 3, but second for the.
Damn, and I'm still on 0.
Nice bream.
Yeah, nice.
Josh, talk about a claw. Oh. Not even fair.
A medium size. That's good
Yeah, it's
for
better.
me.
Yeah.
For PJ, it's not even. So once I block my foot.
Oh no.
Have you got one? How are you getting it? Okay. up your game.
I can't. I'm doing the best I can and I'm not catching anything.
Yeah, so it's really not interesting. Why didn't I just bring float?
How is this not working?
Okay, cool. I can find fish.
Yes! Fish number 1! Yes!
Pretty nice.
Yes! I'm on the board. I made the change, made the sinker a bit higher, and that got him.
Yes! I'm on the tie with D.
Come on, I'm gonna catch more now. I need to catch up. They're on 3 and I'm on 1. Okay, come on, I can do this now. I was so happy when I felt that fish bite. I would have cried if it had come off. Yeah.
Why do we do a catch and cook?
We could.
See if it makes a difference. No, hook up with it. You have a bite, right?
No. But my confidence is up. Yes, yes, yes. So happy. Not. Yes. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Yes. 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 Number 2. Number fish. Number 2. Yes. Another keeper. I don't care about you. He has 2 hooks with 2 worms. Benjamin. No wonder he's catching.
What the? No. Something funny.
I'm gonna have to change my.
Jaw, what's happening?
I don't know.
The fish are biting, going under. When I strike, they're not there.
It happens to me a lot, trust me.
Little Josh, are you tricking me? Somehow.
Did you have a bite?
I think my drag is too deep.
Why don't you tighten it?
Yes! Josh, you can't cast from my place from up there. You need the luck from down here. Ah! I saw that, yes. That was a nice bite. Oh, it just came off right down.
He's on 5. No.
Oh, he's one.
No, we can still beat him. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. No! 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 Come on, still on 2. Oh, the wind is picking up and it's getting colder.
You can do the thumbnail of me with all my fish. I'm just putting mine on a lead and then I'll hold them. I would have cheated. Oh, we're running out of room. You know, I said today in the car, a tournament is about luck. It's not, it's skill. None of you have it. 6.
No. Flipped. What the hell? This is not okay. This ain't okay. Number 3, come on. Stay on. Thank you. I flexed to come last. This one will keep it also. It's a fine size for eating. Oh my gosh.
You're getting bites, Josh.
No, I think that was the bottom. Psych, that was definitely a bite. Oh my goodness, here's number 8. Yes, thank you. Number 4. Another nice size Mozambique tilapia. Great eating. Oh, come.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Number 9.
No. It's a big one. That isn't fair.
Big one.
That is not fair. Number 9, Mozambique tilapia. Yes. Big one. Big fish on. Go on. Boat flip. Yes. Thank you. I'm gonna get Josh.
This is a release though. This one's too small. Thank you. Ooh.
We have to make it at
16 minutes. 4 minutes. Come on, I can get one more. Just one more and I'll be happy.
Oh,
He just leaves it. That's the key.
I just saw my line shut.
14.
I want to see what happens.
Ah, you really beat us properly.
And I would be on 15. Go on that.
Thank you. This one's too small, eh? Actually, no, it's fine. It's fine. Mukai wants this one. And Phineas. Oh.
Jump out from 27, we're going into hot pot. 1 minute.
Now you won. Fair and square. By a long way. Going under?
No, it isn't.
No, his. See, wait a while, eh?
I think there's about 10 seconds left.
Yeah, you won. Oh my gosh!
I did it to run up.
No, it's not, it's a bream.
Oh, look, Josh. Yes! He's taking it. And it's still 11:29. Look, Josh. You see? It's still 11:29 now.
Okay, the challenge is officially done. So that was an epic challenge. Josh really showed us how it's done. He beat us. How many did you catch, Josh?
15.
He caught 15 and I caught 6. David caught 3. And Benji caught a lot also. That was an awesome challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to This is Africa Outdoors. See you in the next one, guys.